In one of my earlier videos, I mentioned that in order for one to be able to use generative AI efficiently, you need certain specific skills, especially when you're building tech, when you're building platforms, software. You need to be able to understand the fundamentals of computing. And by that I mean, it's not impossible for anyone to learn that. The information is all over the internet. You can go on YouTube. But the reason for this video is just to highlight the need for one to understand that when you're building anything with generative AI, there are certain architectural decisions, there are certain design choices that you have to make as the person who's building the product or the software. And the reason for that is you are supposed to guide generative AI on what you want and not let generative AI tell you what to do. And the reason for that is when you then build that software, you are the person who's going to be maintaining it. You're the person who's going to be making changes to it. So today I'm going to try to share a bit of light about technical debt, accumulating technical debt. So it's something that's very common in when building software, when building solutions. And to explain it, it's basically bad choices that have been done. Maybe because of a trade-off, you wanted to move quickly. There are a lot of reasons why project teams or software developers or projects accumulate technical debt. I'm not going to delve much on that, but the point is, whatever design you come up with, whatever architectural decisions you have to make, just make sure you know them by head. Just make sure you've documented them somewhere so that when you make changes to that software, you know where to touch, you know what to change, and you don't have to do a lot of work since users will be onboarded already. You don't then have to change a lot of things, migrate schemas, all the sorts.